bago nadungisan ang malinis na kartada ni Frank the Ghost Martin mula sa malabombang kamao ni Gervonta Tank Davis kahapon, ay may Pinoy na ang naunang sumubok sa galing at tibay nitong si Frank Martin. Ito ay ang tubong Escalante Negros Occidental na si Raymond Yanong alias Robocop. Matapos ang impresibong panalo ni Raymond Yanong sa bansang Japan kontra Japanese boxer Ryoki Ishii via knockout, ay lumipad ang Team Yanong sa unang pagkakataon sa bansang Amerika para subukan itong undefeated pa noon, ang rising prospect na si Frank Martin para sa 6 rounds non-title fight. Bagamat binuhos ni Kabayan ang buong lakas sa laban, ay di pa din umubra ang bitbit ni Yanong na malarubukap na tibay. Hindi umubra sa galing ni Frank Martin. Balikan natin ang matapang na pagdayo ni Raymond Yanong alias Robocop sa Amerika para subukang tibagin at dungisan ang malinis na kartada ni Frank Martin. Nangyari ang laban noong February 28, 2020 sa Las Vegas.
Here we go, round 1. Frank Martin in the white and orange trunks. Ghost there on the front. Raymond Yanong in the white and black. White shorts with the black trim. Snuck in by Martin. Their left hand there for Martin. Right hand to the body there. Lands for Martin after missing a couple of lefts upstairs. Nice counter there by Yanong. With the right hand of the body. Nice counter by Yanong though. Definitely woke Martin up. That counter right. You see the strategy already. Martin's trying to be the aggressor come in, but overall, Martin like that, in and out, left to the body and out. So Mora breaks him up. Right hand there, another counter punch by Yanong. Ooh, nice left-right combo there from Martin to end the round. Here we are, round number 2. Martin's already picked up his punch out, but here, going to the as Yanong is content, just looking for the counter. You see that, tried to throw the right, but it was just too late with it. That one did get through though, the second one. Back Martin up for a second. Showtime will be back at the park MGM here in Las Vegas. The main event, Luis Neri takes on Aron Alameda. It'll be Neri's first fight at 122 pounds, the former 118-pound bullheader, just like tonight's Showbox card. Opening up that contest, Joseph George will meet Marcos Escudero. Another nice shot to the body by Martin. Nice combination. 6 punches in a row that landed for Martin. Yanong, all he could do was nod, like saying, "You got me," basically. Now, put a little bit more weight on his shots. Yanong had a little bit of success in the first round with his counter punches, but you can see the speed difference is real evident here. The more body punches that Martin's able to land, as Martin was getting out of danger. There, Yanong missed a few wild shots there as we end round number 2. Here we go, round 3. Martin in the white and orange shorts. Yanong in the white shorts with the black trim. Yanong coming out more aggressive here. I don't know what Yanong's corner told him, but they must have told him he was losing the fight just to put his foot on the gas. Another nice shot. And Martin's. Another clash of heads. See that? Yanong missed badly. Martin made him pay with the left hand. Nice 3-punch combination by Martin. Follows it up with 3 more. Martin's really starting to take him apart. In and out. Yanong is just too slow. 4-punch combination. Counter. But now Martin's got his confidence. He's found the range. You see that? Body shot there for Yanong. Here we go, round 4. Number 10:45 Eastern. The main card on Showtime, Showbox, will kick off. And there's the first knockdown of the night. Saw that 2 punches. Saying 4-punch combination. The body shot definitely hurt Yanong. Now Martin goes for the kill, and he gets it. Knockout victory. Frank Martin now 11-0 with 8 knockouts.
And still undefeated, the Ghost, Frank Martin.